Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Rare Coins and Banknotes. Today we have a note from China. It's a paper voucher for an foreign exchange certificate, and it's in year 1979. It's called 10 fen, and the value is a 0.10. 0.10 is the value. Now if you exchange, so it is on eBay e-commerce website. It's a $10. It's a paper money, paper certificate, People's Republic of China. And this is the observed side. You can see observed side. So you can see this waterfall. It's a Wangshu waterfall on the Bishui River in ancient China. This one you can see, ancient China. It's a waterfall. It's on the observed side. It's a part of Wanjiao, and the river side you can see it's a Bank of China for an exchange certificate and 10 fen, 0.10. Okay, thanks for watching.